Hi, we understand that many riders experience squeaking noise during braking while the brakes are being engaged. This could be due to contamination of the brake pads and also the disc rotor. It could be in the form of dirt, mud or even oil. It's a very common issue faced by riders due to the nature of our riding environment. While we ride on the roads, on the PCNs, there might be dust or dirt on the floor and they tend to mix with oil and they will create this sticky dust particle which will contaminate our disc, brakes and also our rotor. There's no permanent solution to eliminate the noise. What we can do is to temporarily reduce or remove the noise, and the noise will come back when the brakes are being contaminated again. Okay, let me show you how the braking system works. So when we press the brake lever, the brake pads will be pressed against the rotor, causing the bike to stop. So during braking, if the brake pads are being contaminated with foreign particles, the friction reduces and thus creating this squeaking noises that is quite irritating for some of the users. So what we can do is to use products like the disc brake cleaner. So today we are talking about the mud of disc brake cleaner. You can use the disc brake cleaner to spray on the disc brake pads and also on the rotor. You can see that the dirty water is flowing out of the rotor and the brake pads. So after this, right, you have to clean your rotor with a dry cloth. So you can tilt the bike and dry the rotor and clean it so that we can see that the surface is clean and dry. Now you can see that it's quite clean and it's of a very matte surface. If cleaning the rotor and the brake pads doesn't solve the issue, your brake pads can be severely contaminated with oil. Because the brake pads are made with resin, they tend to absorb oil. So the only solution to solve this issue is to either to change your brake pads or to file the pads. Now I'm going to show you how we normally shave off and file the pads. So this is the brake pads. You can remove it from the brake caliper and you can take a rough sandpaper and shave off the first top layer of the pad like this. You can see from the shavings, the top contaminated layer is being shaved off. So with this procedure, you can see that this surface is a clean, buff texture. So you can put it back to the brake caliper. So generally, it will solve the braking squeaking noise issue. But as mentioned, there's no permanent solution to this. So let's say if the noises come back, you might have to change your rotor and the brake pads. Thank you.